and subscribers of OB channel. I hope you are all fine and you are strong. Well, I just want to show you a little stuff that I've been using on my phone to scan documents. Okay, there are a lot of applications you can use, but I can attest to the fact that this particular application is very effective in scanning documents and other stuff. So let me quickly show you this application. It's called Scanner HD. That's the name of the application, Scanner HD. So I'll quickly do a scanning. Okay. I need a light. I need a flashlight. Okay. Alright. So it's going to automatically scan the portion it needs to scan, and then it has captured. Okay, so this is my scanned document. You can decide to maybe take some part of, maybe I want to crop this particular side of this entire side off. Okay, I need only this side. Okay, so I'm done cropping. Okay, only this side. You can further do filtering. You can enhance it to maybe black and white, or in any other effect you want to add to it. Okay, you can decide to rotate it. You can decide to move it from its original side. In case you scan double of it or more of it, you can decide to flip through and then move them to their appropriate positions. So I decided to show you one of these good applications you can use in case you don't have the money to go to the cafe or have a printer at home to scan your document. You can simply use this application, and it's very good. Okay, all right, thank you for watching.